Example 3. Resolve 2x square minus 7x plus 1 by x square minus 4x minus 5 into partial fractions. This problem can be done in two methods. One is a normal method, other one is objective technique. So let me present the solution. Later I will go for the technique of solving the problem in the other method. And this is an improper fraction having the numerator, denominator same degree. You have to divide the numerator with the denominator. 2x square minus 7x plus 1 dividing by x square minus 4x minus 5. 2 times 2x square minus 8x minus 10, subtracting it, x plus 11 is the remainder. So this given fraction can be written as 2 plus x plus 11 divided by denominator can be factorized, x square minus 4x minus 5, written it as x minus 5 into x plus 1. So this is x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 1. Okay, now let us find the partial fractions for the second one, that is x plus 11 divided by x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 1, written it as a divided by x minus 5 plus b divided by x plus 1. Take an LCM, you get it as x plus 11 is equals to a into x plus 1 plus b multiplied by x minus 5. Substituting x is equals to 5 in this expression, that gives us 16 is equals to 6a, and therefore a is equals to 8 by 3. And substituting x is equals to minus 1 in the above condition, you get it as 10 is equals to minus 6b. So b is equals to minus 5 by 3. So finally the partial fractions for 2x square minus 7x plus 1 divided by x square minus 4x minus 5 are given by 2 plus a by x minus 5 plus b by x plus 1. A is 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 times x minus 5 minus 5 by 3 times x plus 1. Okay, the solution is 2 plus 8 by 3 times x minus 5 and plus minus 5 by 3 times x plus 1. As I told you, we shall proceed now objective way. How would you proceed to get the solution for this problem? So before that, let me rewrite this one fraction as 2x square minus 7x plus 1 divided by factorizing the denominator x minus 5 into x plus 1. Because it is an improper fraction, highest power of x is x square in the numerator, x square in the denominator, whose coefficients ratio is 2 divided by 1, that is 1. Therefore 2 divided by 1 first term plus, and partial fraction for x minus 5 is obtained by substituting. Equate x minus 5 to 0, you will be getting x is equals to 5. Substitute in the fraction other than x minus 5. Okay, you will be getting 25 2s are 50 minus 35, okay, plus 1 divided by 6. That simplifies, I hope, 50 minus 35, 15 plus 1, 16 by 6, and that is nothing but 8 by 3. And for the second factor x plus 1, equating x plus 1 0, x equals to minus 1, you substitute in the fraction other than x plus 1. minus 1 when you substitute, you get it 2 plus 7 plus 1 divided by minus 6. Okay, this will become minus 10 by minus 10 by 6, and that is 5 by 3 with minus. Overall partial fractions are 2 plus 8 by 3 times x minus 5 minus 5 by 3 times x plus 1. Yes, minus 5 by x plus 1 and 8 by 3 times x minus 5 is the answer.